Dictionary. At dictionary. In a general context, the term sneeze refers to a sudden, involuntary reflex action in which air is forcefully expelled from the nose and mouth. This reflex is typically triggered by irritation or foreign particles in the nasal passages, and it serves as the body's way to clear these irritants. During a sneeze, the muscles of the chest and diaphragm contract, and air is expelled at a high velocity. Sneezing is often accompanied by a distinctive sound and can also be a symptom of allergies, colds, or other respiratory conditions. It's a natural and protective mechanism that helps keep the respiratory system clear of potential hazards.